My name is Steve McNamara. I teach CNC machining at the Center for Technical Education. Today, I'm going to show you 3 different types of CNC machines that we have here at school. We've purchased them in the past 4 years, so they're the most up-to-date technology that's available right now. I'm standing in front of a CNC lathe. This is called a ProtoTrack CNC lathe. This is something that all our students here at school use. What a lathe does, a lathe produces round parts. Produces round parts similar to this. This is something that the kids made. They have to hold the diameters, they have to cut the threads, they have to cut the grooves, and they actually have to fit this so there's no slop on that thread. That has to fit perfectly. So this is a simple project that is done on a CNC lathe. Okay. This is another project that they do. They'll make a part like this. They'll have to hold the tolerances. This is more like a core that you would find in an injection mold. Okay. That actually came out of a raw piece of material just like this. So you can actually see all the work that is involved in making this part. And all these parts are made within 1/1000th of an inch. Now what is 1/1000th of an inch? A human hair is 3/1000ths of an inch. So break that down 3 times. That is a tolerance that we hold here at school on all our pieces of equipment. Now I have set up over here a demonstration on what it looks like when the CNC lathe is actually machining a part. Okay, I have a simple part set up that you're going to see the cutting tool actually machining the outside diameter of this part. I wrote the program on this controller right here. So all I have to do is, once the spindle is on, I just have to hit the go button, and you can actually see the part being machined inside here. Right here I'm standing in front of a 2.5 axis ProtoTrack CNC milling machine. Now, I have this part set up right here just for demo purposes, and it's going to actually, what we call fly cut across the part. Fly cutting is just with a cutter. I'll shut it off right here. This is a 3-flute inserted cutter. It's actually going to cut a slot going across this aluminum part. Okay. Now, how did I do that, and how would you do it if you were here at school? You would actually learn how to run the CNC control, and you can do multiple things here. You can mill a slot if you would like. You can drill some holes, which I'll show you later on this particular machine. So, right now, I have the part programmed. All I have to do is hit the go button. Okay, what we have right here is a HAAS CNC mill. This is a full 5-axis CNC milling machine. You have your X, you have your Y, you have your Z axis. This is a rotary head right here where it could actually rotate as your part is cutting. Okay. What all CNC machines have are a controller. All CNC machines are a little different, but they all act the same. They might have different words, but they all have the same meanings behind those words. Okay. In this class that you are taking, you will learn how to program this control. You will learn what all the bells and whistles are here, all the buttons, what all the buttons mean, and you'll actually learn how to program a part on this machine. So you will program a part at home, you will send it to me, I will actually cut that part in this machine for you. Here we have that is the actual Lego piece. From here, the students deburr it, and depending on if they're going to actually make a keychain with it or if they're making a Lego set, there might be some secondary operations added to this.